What are you eating? You want to show Daddy? You do? Can you say blueberry? Blueberry? Yeah? Say, hey Nicholas, say blue. Blueberry. Jackson, can you say blueberry? Blue. Can you say blueberry? Uh-oh. Say blueberry. Uh-oh. Did you drop it? Can you say blueberries, please? Nicholas? Can you say blueberry, please? What do you want? That? You have to say blueberry, please. Can you say blueberry? Please? Please? Hi, Jackson. Say hi. We're going to send this to Dada. Can you say blueberry? Nicholas, say blue. Berry. Dog. Grandpa. Grandpa's at his house. Jackson, say blueberry. Berry. Please. Please. Good job. Nicholas, can you say blueberry? Do you want more blueberries? Yes? Say blueberry. Please? Can you say please? Hi. Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Can you say please? Please? Can you say please? Say please. Oh, goodness. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, Grandpa's not in here. Blow kisses. Jackson, blow kisses again. Blow kisses on the camera. Blow kisses. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss to Dada? Blow a kiss to Dada at work. Blow a kiss to Dada at work. Daddy's not in the camera. You blowing kisses? Jackson, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Good job. One more. Good job. Bye-bye.